Hi, welcome to Trading with TK, teaching you to turn ideas into money. We're at www.tradingwithtk.com, and today is Thursday, April 10th, and we got the rally that we needed, and I was able to execute my plan, and I felt more like a relief rally, though. It didn't feel like a wow, this is the beginning of something. And I have some concerns about the market, and I'll point them out to you when we go over in our final segment when we take a look at the major indexes. But first, I want to tell you what we're going to do tomorrow, because we've got two new short plans for tomorrow, and then I'll show you our winners and our losers, and I'll also go over the two stocks that we sold short this morning, and we'll establish their price, and then at the end we'll finish up with a short market review, and I'll be able to show you what my concern is. So without further ado, the first stock we're going to try and short tomorrow is Expedia. The symbol is EXPD. And the second stock we're going to try and short is FNF. It's a financial stock. So in just a moment we're going to take a look at their charts, and we're going to show you how we're going to take these two ideas and turn them into some money. Don't go away, I'll be right back. Okay, you're looking at a daily bar chart of EXPD. Whoops. There's a call on the short side, and we're looking to make $4 on this trade. We're looking to sell the stock short around $24.25, just about where it closed, and it already gave us our little kickback rally today. So anywhere up in here is a great spot. Even a little bit, if you can't get any off around the close, and you need to break price 5 or 8 cents, that would definitely be acceptable. Rallied up into overhead supply again, and now we've got this lower highs and lower lows. Each low gets lower and lower. So this is a descending triangle formation, and we don't think I'll have any trouble getting down here to our target. It may even go lower than that, but that's our target right now. So let me recap that. That's EXPD. This is a call on the short side, and we're looking to make $4 in this trade. The next stock we're going to try and short tomorrow is FNF. And this is a call on the short side, and we're looking to make $5 on this trade. We'll try to sell the stock short right around where it closed. We get the same deal here. We get this kickback rally, and it's a great opportunity up here around 18.17. So don't hesitate. I wouldn't even look for more of a rally in the morning. Anywhere around the close, that's where we're going to try and put them out. And we have a target down here of $13. Now we were in this stock once before. We caught part of this move down here on the short side. And then the rally hit, and the stock got sidetracked and went on a rally. And now it's resuming its downtrend, because it really wants to get down to the support area. It's almost like a magnet. They need to get there. And we believe this is the move it's going to get there. It's not going to stop here. It's going to come right on down to the target of 13. So let me recap that. That's FNF. We're looking to sell this stock short, and we think we can make $5 on the trade. Okay, let's look at Red Hat. We put this out this morning. We got it off at $19.97, and it pulled back, and it's traded like back and forth all day, and then on the close they marked it back up. But we like this. This is a very bearish formation. Now, even if it kicks back up into here, it's not going to concern us, and it could happen. This formation is going to take days, not hours, for this to work out. Okay, so the next one we sold short was ACXM. This is just looking terrific. And we're starting to see a common theme here, because we played the short side all the way down on this also. And then we caught this rally. The market rallied, and the trend got interrupted, but now it's picking up where it left off, and it wants to come down to this target right here. That's how we see it. There's almost a common theme. FNF looks the same way to us. Okay, let's take a look at our winners and our losers. I had my finger on the trigger most of the morning, because I had too many stocks in my portfolio, and I was having a hard time following all of them. But the one trade that I liked the best was this AAI trade, because I laid it out last night. I said I'm just going to wait for this rally to get me up to 640 or 645, and then I'm going to sell it, even if it takes 2 days. But Mother Market gave it to me today, and I was patient. I waited. I got it off at 640. It's right where I owned it. Bought it at 640, sold it at 640. That's a trade that didn't work out for me, but we still broke even on it. Next trade, PKTR. I've had this for a while. I've had this for 13 days, and it just looks tired to me for some reason or other. And I had a 7.5% profit in it, so I took it off the table. I mean, it may go further. I may have sold it too soon, but I needed to clean up some of the portfolio. Next stock, HOTT. I left a little on the table here. We bought this at 450, and I sold it at 450. So that was another push. I felt another one of my mistakes, but we broke even on it. Okay, let's take a look at the Dow Jones averages, and I'm going to show you why I'm got this concern. All right, we know we're at a resistance area, but I thought we were going to be able to get through it. But obviously, the market's having a very hard time up here. Not only is it having a hard time, it's putting in a pattern here that I don't like the looks of it already. Anything that has a head sticking up like this, it's bearish. It's a head and shoulders pattern. And it may do some more work here back and forth for a few more days, but I don't like the way it's developing. And that's what's got me concerned. It's happening at a big resistance area, and now we're starting to see something that's starting to look like a reverse head and shoulders. So we're going to have to keep a close eye on this. That's why I'm sprinkling the portfolio with some shorts. And we'll take a look at the transportation average, our old favorite. And we did get a rally back, and it did come out of the support area that we thought maybe it would have a chance of rallying, and it did. But I'm going to tell you, this is a formidable resistance area here. The way this is shaped, the market may rally up into it, get up under in here, but I don't see it getting through. That's a tough-looking formation. So that's bothering me. And let's take a look at the QQQs, because these are the strongest of all the indexes I watch, and they're following perfectly. Breakout, pull back to support. Breakout, pull back right to support, and now is this the beginning of another breakout, which I would love. If that happened and we were able to break out above this all high, I would get very bullish. But until that happens, I'm cautious. We'll have to see what goes on here for the next couple of days. The market started giving back some of that rally late this afternoon, and I didn't think there was enough volume involved in it. And so those are my concerns about the market. But I'll say this: I see patterns that you could still buy. I probably think you're going to be able to make money on both sides, depending on what stock you're in, and so that it may play out that way. So because I'm still comfortable with some of the longs I have, so I think maybe we'll be able to make money on both sides of the market. So we'll see. Anyway, until tomorrow, this is TK signing off.